Well, hello, it's Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our show talking cryptocurrencies, blockchain assets, things in the matrix. Good morning in Asia, as it's Valentine's Day, February 14th. Already in Asia, if you're at the con in Asia, ready to fire, this is Blockchain Vitals. It's our show to talk things crypto, price action, things I'm seeing. And let's do the rounds because this is actually a headline. Hello. That's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be there. Doing the rounds. All right, the headline was early, but there it is anyways. And I wanted to talk about it. I could have just jumped right into it, right? Traders who shorted Bitcoin from all-time high 20,000 are cashing out. Is the bottom near? So, first of all, congratulations to anybody and everybody that shorted this thing when it was a moonshot. And there's nothing wrong with cashing out, right? I mean, I love that. And when you read the article, the guy was like, I'm done looking at it. I thought it was ridiculous where it was. I shorted it. I don't want to think about it. He actually got out in December. And just because the shorts are out does not necessarily mean that the bottom is in. For me, the price action has to tell me that, and the weekly has to tell me that, in particular the momentum. Now, I've said over the past couple of days that although this looks like it's a rounding bottom, we need a couple more weeks here with strong price action, not necessarily blowing the cover off the ball, but strong price action and not a retreat to change the overall picture on this weekly fractal that I think is so important in this market. And we're not there yet. We had the first leg of it as we have increasing potential now on that lower momentum line, but we really need to see that increasing potential carry through to the whole picture on that weekly chart, and it's not there yet. So, you know what? Let's take the vitals because this week I'm talking Bitcoin. And we could talk that price action and that price level. Usually, for me to be talking about Bitcoin on the Vitals section, you need to be an EndoTech subscriber. But this week, I'm covering Bitcoin for your viewing pleasure on YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe at endotech.io to get the Blockchain Vitals sheet. And this is the sheet here. Bitcoin's part of it. Pivot model on the left, the value range. Top right, and the standard deviation momentum modeling and exhaustion on the bottom right. Now, Bitcoin right now, a little bit of a retreat, actually had a engulfing candle with a lower close, trading 36.71 at Bitfinex right now, 36.71. But for me, really, it's just, you know, this is the beautiful thing about trading. Is this a congestion flag then that we're going to, or pennant, some people call them, or and we're going to trade higher from it? Or is this just the rounding top of this most recent bull run, and is this thing going to fall out of bed? For me, 35.41, I've said it the past 3 days. I'll say it the next 3 because cryptos never sleep. We are trading Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in cryptos, and 35.71 or 35.41 until Sunday night is that line in the sand for me, that weekly lower momentum level in Bitcoin. So right now, if we rally, you know, the Monday morning quarterbacks will be saying, how did you miss that? It's a perfect flag for another leg higher. Okay, well, at least got to do something for me here and maintain this up momentum level, which is 36.77. Right now trading 36.71, so just a bit below it. And if we can recapture momentum, maybe that's the case. And I don't mind joining the fray, although I will say that I still like others in the asset class in the top 12 more than I like Bitcoin. I still like Litecoin. I still like Dash better than Bitcoin. So that's where I'm concentrating. All right, so that's it. You know, an engulfing candle, but with this flag formation, for sure you got to pay attention to today's low, shorter time frame, right? And that was on Bitfinex the Wednesday low, 36.31. Taking that out, we go to 35.41, that weekly momentum level. And then if we penetrate that level and build some time and volume and close the week below 35.41, all bets are off for me. And I think that another major down leg is coming. But it hasn't done that yet. So we talk about that when it unfolds. The story is always unfolding. Let's not forget about that. All right, so that's what I'm seeing of Bitcoin. Please subscribe at EndoTech.io to watch the rest of this segment if you are watching on YouTube. So I'm going to say goodbye to YouTube.